Alright, we're gonna make a little exhaust video. That will end up going on this, as you will see. But white one, 2024. The red one's 2018. Red one has the Yoshi. That's stock. They're close enough. So, cold start. And that is high idle. Very impressive. Very. I'll just leave that one running and then we'll just start up this one. Cold start on this one. Yoshi 18. That's high idle. That one is still running. Turn this off. There we go. Low idle. So that's how it should be running. We can even put this one back on now. Stop. Start 2024. Now we're gonna put this on the white one. Alright, exhaust switched. Little iStunt. You can go on Amazon for $122 or just buy it on dumbass Temu for 60 bucks. See what it sounds like. Does not sound better than the Yoshi, that's for sure. Yoshi. iStunt. Or Yoshi. Yoshi sounds like a real dirt bike type of exhaust. Better than stock, but not as throaty. Not bad for 60 bucks though.